Yo, what's good, guys? It has been a minute since I've posted a video, but if you've been watching NQ, you also know that it's been a little bit since we've had some respectable price action, and today that finally changes, which oddly enough is a Friday. We actually finally have some respectable price action. So I'm just gonna go over this trade that I took. Just a really simple trade, 1 to 1, nothing crazy. I risked one contract on this trade, and this is an eval, so I probably shouldn't have done that. I should have risked like five, but this is the first type of price action in a while where we actually see prices moving. So it had been a minute since I've been able to risk that much comfortably without getting sketched out by like weird price action. So anyway, this was the markup for today. I actually had a closer price target, which I believe was this. Price was kind of sitting between this range on the 4 hour. But then we ended up getting some 5 minute closes above that target that I just had up there. And then that made me look at the next logical target, which would have been, I think this is 617 or no, 670. Yeah, which was the next logical target. So, as you guys know, I trade a simple continuation strat. So I just went down to the 5 minute, made sure that was looking clean, hopped down to the 1 minute, and I see this pretty decent sized fair value gap. This is a 14 point fair value gap. While not huge with the current volume that we're seeing in NQ right now, it was a valid fair value gap to use for this entry. And then we get a nice retrace using this candle. If I can find my pointing tool, let's move this out the way. Yeah, so this gray candle right here, we get the perfect retrace, and then we get a displacement candle, the small green candle out of it. Now, I did want to enter down here right off the candle for a 2 to 1, but I don't know, I just clicked too late or something, and it ended up giving me the previous entry, which is just as fine. I mean, it's all right. We basically had virtually zero drawdown. This went straight to take profit immediately. So yeah, that's the trade. This is probably the best price action we've seen over the past 2 weeks since I have uploaded. So very happy to see that finally. My goodness, it was getting ugly. But yeah, if you guys took this trade, let me know and discuss it in the comments. Remember to subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.